Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Just skip this. This is the tutorial. By the way, this is the test server, so that's why I'm such a noob. But the thing that we're here for is the, what do you call it? Auction house. Right now we got, okay. Please note, lock slots only one time. Okay, so if you buy that for 50 Robux, then you can only use it one time. So you sell stuff here. So you can press market. They'll probably tone down the prices
Are you sure about that
soon. It's just very expensive right now. Luxury sign. Oh wait, what's a futuristic table? So luxury sign is by the slot machines, if I'm right. Which I think I am. No.
wrong?
Okay, they're here. $600. So you can buy those. Oh. Nope, they're already sold out. These are probably already. How much money is this? Probably sold out. This, I can't buy it yet. So these are some of the this is the coffee machine. So watch, let's read what it says. Your staff members will automatically drink coffee temporarily, increasing their walk speed. These are just for decorations. Don't go thinking it's not. Decorations right here. Wooden signs, luxury signs. You already know I'm gonna be buying a lot of this. Probably bought a lot of that. I'll probably do a giveaway in the auction house for some of you guys. If I can. So, you go here. This guy's actually grinding it. This guy's better than me in a test server. Jeez. It's trending. So this is. What's trending? Let's see. Everything's just very expensive. So, this is the auction house. And this is the release date right here. This is what Preston says. This is like a concrete slated date. This will be, like probably, not even probably, the date that he thinks, no matter what, will be when it comes out. So be prepared on that date. This Saturday. Right now it is Thursday. So be prepared. We got this. That. So be prepared. So watch. This is the look. And then they move the VIP thing right here. So this is how this looks, the auction house. It's pretty like sweet. So you just walk in. This is cross server, by the way, so more than one server can see this. It's like the whole entire My Restaurant community. You already know I'm gonna be buying some futuristic stuff. Not the coffee stand, but I'll be buying it. I might be trying to buy it off of people. I'm just not gonna serve those guys. So this, yeah, that's this right there. So they're just gonna extend it, and this will be like the limited items. So it'll only be purchasable for like a little bit. Yeah, look at these are all sold out. And the coffee machine isn't getting sold yet because it's Robux and they don't want anyone wasting the Robux. So this is the auction house. I'll leave a link in the description what this game is. So if you want to come see it and test out yourself. This is the coffee. So I'll see you guys in the next one. And I hope hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye. And this is the popcorn machine, guys. This, I'm guessing, is just gonna be like another tip thing, or this might be for your chefs. They cook faster. And this is the popcorn machine, guys. This, I'm guessing, is just gonna be like another tip thing, or this might be for your chefs. They cook faster, and then the coffee machine is for your waiters only. So if my theory is right, it might. I don't know. So that's what I think, though.